Welcome back, folks, to another episode. After the Bay Area RC car bashing team visited the Belmont Bike Park, we knew we had a new challenge out in front of us. Our old mega ramp that we built at the Niles Community Park on the grass out of plywood had served its purpose. We used it for the long jump competition, and then it reappeared out at the Alameda Beach Bash and sand drags, and it had done a great job. But it wasn't going to put us on the map like it needed to. So it's time for Mega Ramp 2.0. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because in this episode, we build out Mega Ramp 2.0. 10 foot tall with a little extra kick up top, portable. We can take it to any location or event that we need to. Our first event that we're bringing the Mega Ramp out to is this coming Saturday, April 10th, at Fallon Sports Complex in Dublin, California. So make sure to mark your calendar and come out and support the Bay Area RC car bashing team, because you're not going to want to miss this epic RC freestyle action. Stay tuned.
Do is set up two of these bridges next to each other with 33 inches of spacing. Fucking butt cakes and fucking shit together.
Oh my god, though.
That's 81.
Yeah, what'd you expect it to be? That's what we cut it at.
Oh yeah. Stay over here. There's going to be a car coming out. That's our kicker right here. All right. Hold it right there, Doc. $1 a cent. Listen to that dumbass. Remember that one time when battery died? See if the radius is right.
Sick. That's so sick.
Well, the 2x8 is going to be right here.
Yeah. I think we just have to sort of start laying them out. Right?
Yeah, without these up here, so there's no weight on it. 2x8, because that 2x8 has to be there. That's fucking important. It does. I mean, to be honest, we really don't have to cut it long ways because you just throw it on. Fuck, the stuff they use is getting... The stuff they use got stuck on the stuff they use, bro. Hey. Hold on. I really should have spray painted something under this. Something epic, right?
The question is, do you think that piece down there is long enough to do the bottom part?
That piece,
Yeah.
cut in,
And then
cut,
bring it up.
and then cut in half.
Here she is. What do you say, Aunt?
I'll say we're gonna send some shit and break some shit. Probably go over that fucking roof right over there.
Rain or shine, we'll get her done, huh?
Rain or shine, we get her done. This bitch got some traction.
It's the stuff they use right here.
That,
We found it at Home Depot.
the stuff they used the last aisle. We found it in.
Stuff they used.
Damn. What a feat that was. Fucking great,
It's a
dude.
big fucking jump.
Jump.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.